Good afternoon guys. Ganito lang pong ginagawa namin paano mag-rate ng advertisement. Okay, so i-play lang yung ads na yon, and then pag lumabas itong white videos, that's it. I-rate mo na siya. So there you go. Tapos na yan. It's up to you kung tapusin mo yung video. Okay? Or ako kasi hindi ko na tinatapos. So ganun lang. So next naman. Okay, get another ads naman. Yeah, like that. That is Levi's, di ba? So mamaya-maya ng konti, lalabas na yung white, this one. Pag lumabas yung yellow, ibig sabihin napanood mo na. So just backward, and then mag-load ka naman ng iba. Okay, and then for example, this one, this Coca-Cola. O, play mo lang. And then a little later, lalabas na yung white stars, yung 5-star. There you go. Diba? So, i-rate mo lang. Dito ka kailangan, bigyan mo sila ng mataas na rating. Okay? So that, dyan kasi tayo babayaran eh. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, wag po ninyo i-miss ang isang araw na hindi kayo makapag-task. Otherwise, wala rin tayong bayad. Parang nag-ano rin lang tayo, diba? Naging employee. Pag absent ka for the day, hindi absent. Wala kang bayad. Ano ka? Absent ka talaga. So, ganun talaga eh. So, ganun din dito. So, kailangan wag mo i-miss. Okay? So, ganun lang. So, ayan, lumabas naman yung white na stars. O, rate mo na siya. Okay. So, I'm gonna go, look at this one because this is package 3 already. This is 16/16. So, 10/16. Ibig sabihin, may kulang pa ako na 6. So, maghanap ako ng iba na i-rate ko. Look at this one. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, lumabas ulit yung white. Tapos na. So, it's up to you kung gusto nyong tapusin yung video or pagkalabas nung star ay mag-rate na kayo. Then next naman, para mabilis matapos. Actually, hindi ito abala sa inyo eh. Hindi ito abala sa work ninyo kung mayroon kayong ibang ginagawa. Afterwards, tapos na. Tomorrow na naman. O yan. So, ilan na lang kulang ko? O, 4 na lang. Okay, so 4 na lang. Because guys, I am already package 1, 2, 3, and 4. And how much is that? I already have $73 daily. So, i-convert mo sa piso yan, that is 4,000 plus. That's 4,088. Okay? So, isang buwan, 100 plus yan. So, ganun lang ang ginagawa namin. So, I still have 3. Ganun. So, mamaya-maya ng konti. That is, ayan, lubas na naman. That's Heineken, okay? So, ilan na lang? 2 na lang. Okay, so that one's Surf Rider naman. 2 na lang. After this, 1 na lang. And then, I think I gonna start it already kasi, basta that is as simple as that lang. Okay, that is the daily task na sinasabi. So, 1 na lang. 1 na lang, okay, na ads ang papanoorin ko. This is Charmin tissue. This is tissue paper to eh. Ayan. O yan, tapos na. So, I think I already have 16/16. So, that's it guys, ang pag-rate. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Okay? Bye for now!